Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making some Jamaican festivals. Yeah, I'll list the ingredients in the description below. So I'll be using 5 dry ingredients. So first we had all our dry ingredients. Then we whisk it together. So now we had our butter and we combine it with the other ingredients until it looks like breadcrumbs. Now we gradually add the water to make our dough. So when kneading the dough, we don't want to over knead the dough because we don't want it to be too tight. We cover it and let it rest for about 15 minutes before frying. You can put a little flour on your ends to make it easier when you're rolling the festivals. This is how I roll them. I fried my festivals at medium high heat because if the oil is too hot, it will burn on the outside and it won't be thoroughly cooked on the inside. I fried them for about 3 minutes on each side. Here we go. Our festivals are ready and we just remove them from the oil and put them onto some paper towel. I made 12 festivals from this batch. There we go, festivals ready. In Jamaica, we mainly eat festivals with fish and jerk chicken. However, you can have it with stewed chicken or whatever you like. So that's it for this video. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.